to be possible. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Morehouse Parish in northeastern Louisiana, northern Richland Parish in northeastern Louisiana, western West Carroll Parish in northeastern Louisiana, until noon Central Daylight Time. At 10:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Swartz, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Collinston around 11:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Bastrop and Oak Ridge around 11:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Mer Rouge around 11:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Goodwill around 11:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until noon Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Morehouse, Richland, and West Carroll. Flood watch remains in effect through Tuesday morning. What